Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging. But before I get into that, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers and welcome to all my new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and with that being said, let's get into this unbagging. I am so absolutely excited for this one. Because some of y'all know, if you follow me on Instagram, some of you know that I have got a new fur baby, and I finally got me a little Boston Terrier, and his name is Booger. I did not name him. The previous owners, she named him, and he knows his name, so I just left it at that because he is a little booger butt. So, anyway, I have fell completely and totally in love with him, and I had to get this painting. So, with that being said, let me open it so I can show you what it looks like. Alright, now this is from Amazon, and it is let's see, I have everything written down over here. I gave $4.89 for it, and it's a little one. And it is poured glue. So we're going to turn it around. But look, isn't he cute? It's a little Boston Terrier. And it is a 30 by 25. But isn't it adorable? I had to have it because I have now got a little Boston Terrier fur baby. So, there's the thumbnail. And it's just listed as dog. There's the canvas number and the size. And it does have 18 colors. No DMC on the canvas. And it is all letters. So that's good. And then it has a thumbnail over here, but no, a canvas this small, you only need one, and you're lucky if you even get a schematic on these little ones, so one's enough. So it comes with just your average little kit, which is the pink pen, a green boat, looks like one bag, and one small square of wax. So that's it. That's all you need, but that's all they give you. All right, like I said, I gave $4.89 for him. So I'm okay with all of that. All right, let's look. Yep, no DMC numbers on the baggies either. So we're just going to go through real quick. Now, I will say that I did think when I purchased this, I thought it was crystals, but it's not. And that's okay too. I'm okay with that. But I really could have sworn that it was crystals. But like I said, I'm okay with it. But it's going to be very colorful. And it's got the gray strip across the front of the bags. So I've never had any issues with them. Alright, so let's look at the drill field. It doesn't look bad at all. I don't see anything. Now I might have to use a light pad for the darker areas, but really it don't even look bad. I think maybe an overhead light might be enough. And then down here, you can do a little bit of color blocking. But yeah, I don't see anything bad with this canvas either, y'all. Like I said, I have never really had any issues with any canvas that I have purchased from Amazon. I cannot really say anything bad about any of them. So yeah, what do y'all think? It's just a little snack size, as they say, but I had to get it because it was a Boston Terrier. But I think he's cute. So, all right, y'all, that's just a quick video on what I got from Amazon. It's not bad for $4.89, huh? All right, y'all. Leave me a comment below, and for those who have fur babies, leave me a comment below and let me know what is your fur baby and what is its name. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see everybody later. Bye, y'all.